my house, I have a lot of carpet throughout the house, and these move really, really well on the carpet. So these are great in my house. This is a roller glider by Flex Disc. And what I love about this brand in particular is they have 6 wheels on the bottom. I've used some other ones in the past that are triangles that have 3 wheels. Those can be a little bit more unstable. Really great if you have wood floor or hard floor that you're working on too. Makes some of the exercises that I do a little bit more challenging because you have less resistance to work with. And they each come with a pad, so you can keep the foam pad on top of it for a little extra padding for your hands, your elbows, however you're using it. Or you can also put the padding on the floor. You can kneel on it, you can put your hands on it, so you can do the exercises with the extra padding. I discovered this brand a year ago, and I got these ones probably about 3 or 4 months ago and have been loving them. They've been really, really great for at-home workouts. So great for recreating things at home with less equipment. Not everybody has room for that at home. Definitely have room for these at home. They just slide right under my shelf. And they have a few additional products that I think are cool that I haven't tried yet that are additions to these, little springs that you can attach to each other, and these blocks that go on top of them that you can use as handles as well. The quality for these Flex discs I like a lot more than the other ones I've tried. I feel like the wheels get caught on things. If you think about like a shopping cart when it has stuff clogged up in the wheel and it's not quite going the right way. These ones I haven't been having those problems.